I am an oculoplastic surgeon and neuro-ophthalmologist in Anchorage, Alaska, and I move forward with...
Just use the mouse.
Oh, the mouse, okay. Okay, so it is a physician-supervised platform that uses artificial intelligence and teleophthalmology to deliver the right level of care to patients. Now, in my practice, we've seen well over 150 patients with greater than 96% accuracy of the model, and we're getting reimbursed with standard billing codes. What makes this team special is that we have clinical and operating experience. We understand the pain points that patients and physicians are facing. We also know how to build and scale technology. And most patients with eye disease don't start with an ophthalmologist. They're seen in an emergency room, a nursing facility, primary care, and these sites lack ophthalmologists, leading to delays of care and sometimes over referrals. So ophthalmology has an access problem. Now, demand is rising, supply is not keeping up, and MyEyes is designed to close that gap by creating a virtual ophthalmologist with artificial intelligence and teleophthalmology. It's not a point solution looking only at one particular anatomic part of the eye. It is an ophthalmic intelligence platform that uses a traffic light urgency score to triage and make decisions really for any eye disease. The goal is simple. We want to identify patients who have vision-threatening problems, get them to the front of the line, triage them up forward. Those are the red patients, and manage the rest appropriately. Here's how it works. A local technician will capture the data with the off-the-shelf handheld camera, either internally or externally. The AI analyzes it. If you'd like, it's an assistant, and the ophthalmologist will respond. The AI can turn a technician, this is going to sound crazy, but into almost an ophthalmologist, and turn the ophthalmologist into a super ophthalmologist. Think of the AI like super soldier serum. Now, MyEyes gives the ophthalmologist back their time by freeing up the gathering of the information, since the AI can handle that. This allows the ophthalmologist to talk to the patient about the diagnosis, the differential, the treatment, and the next steps. Adoption only will happen if it makes sense, economic sense for the clinic. Now, the clinic keeps most of the value, while MyEyes shares in a smaller portion. If you have 5 ophthalmologists in the clinic, like I do at my practice, and each sees 6 more patients a day, that's 1.5 million at the end of the year. And the market is large because the problem is large. Now, we're not limited to a single clinic type or disease category, and that allows us to support these channels broadly. So our rollout is tactical. We are starting in places where access problem is most severe and the need is most immediate. We believe that's senior living facilities, you have a captive audience, and telemedicine platforms that don't have an ophthalmic knowledge database. This gives us a clear path to proving value, building traction, and expanding our go-to-market. We're looking to raise $1 million safe for FDA, clinical trials, APIs, implementation, and really at the end of the day, it's about access. Too many patients end up in the wrong setting. They pay for testing they don't need, delay of care. We've got the cure. It's MyEyes AI, and it's your virtual on-call ophthalmologist. Thank you.